So this is your kit for experiment number 3. This is IDMT and DMT over current relay. Okay, so this is your supply. From here you are getting the supply for the relay as well as for the system. This is going through this wire to the relay. Okay, relay also needs a supply, and this is going to the system. So this is your phase. This red one is your phase wire and black one is your neutral wire. So this is coming to the variac. Then this variac is connected to a current transformer, so that you get a current proportional to the voltage. So this is the setup for this. Now you are getting the current output through this variac. So as you are going to control the voltage, proportionally your current is going to get controlled and you are going to get the current output. So this current output is fed to the your relay. The above is your current measurement and the below is your time measurement. Okay, so this is going to, this is the measurements, then this output is fed to the relay. This is your relay. This relay is having, this relay is a 3-phase relay, IDMT and DMT over current relay. This is coming as an input to one phase. We are doing it for one phase, and this is, this blue wire is being fed to the supply here, supply again, because here you have your CB. So this numerical relay will sense and generate signal for the CB to operate. Okay, so this CB is going to operated by the numerical relay, and this is your relay. This is a numerical relay, programmable relay. So you have to program it. Okay, there is a sequence of program. So whether your relay is going to work in IDMT or DMT, you have to make, you have to set a program in it, and based on the program that you will feed it, the relay is going to follow the characteristics.
Press the enter key, switch on the supply. Now switch enter key, press down key, there is the protection menu, enter. In protection menu, first is PCHR, programming characteristics set at numerical inverse 3.0. Okay, this is already set. If not set, press enter and set with the help of up and down key. Now next, ECHR, this is the earth characteristics. This relay can also function for the detecting the earth fault. If you want to detect earth fault, then this is set to ECHR value here by changing the up down key. Now we not detecting the earth characteristics, so the same value which is set in the PCHR is set here. Like we set the n numerical inverse in PCHR, so that the here is also set n numerical inverse value. If you set the definite value, then also set here the definite value if you not calculating the earth characteristics. Now next is the I is the current, is the this is here we set the reference of current. This is the 0.5 into IP. IP is the 5 ampere. This is the multiplier. 0.5 into 5, 2.5 ampere. So 2.5 is the reference current. If the current is exceeding 2.5 ampere in the circuit, the relay will trip. You can change it by enter and up down key to any value.
Change करके दिखा सकते हैं?
Yes, sir. Enter it, and here we change it what you want.
So this is how you can change.
Now is enter. Here is the time. T is the time multiplier. The tripping time is increase or decrease with respect to this. This is the time multiplier. If as you increase the value, the trip time also decreases. Now is the T. T is the fixed time. It is set for the definite in the case of definite setting. Here we not set the definite, so this time will not count. Now back, press the enter key until it reset. The reset value is IL1 00, IL2 00, Now relay is ready for testing. First of all, start the start button here. Set the current above 2.5 ampere. Stop it and then reset it. First of all, we set the fault current, reset, and then again start. Now note down the fault current, which is 2.93 ampere. This is a trip time 38.464 seconds. Now release trip. Fault is showing fault overcurrent line 1. So relay shows the fault on which line overcurrent fault is occur. Now reset it by doing the press the enter key for 5 seconds. Also reset it. Increase the current. Now switch again. The fault current is now 5.3. Trip time 8.996 seconds. As we increase the current, trip time decreases. Now again increase the current. Reset timer. Reset the relay. Switch on.
So this is, you got the reading.
Enter the menu.
For this is for DMT.
Now go to the protection menu, enter, and in PCHR programming characteristics, enter, set here definite. This is the definite, enter. Now next ECHR, here is also enter, set here definite, enter. Now reset it, press for hold the enter key for 5 seconds to reset the values. Now this relay is set for the definite time. Definite time is entered for 5 seconds. Current the fault current exceeded above the 2.5 ampere. The relay will trip on 5 seconds. Switch on the here the relay is tripping 4.964. This is approximate to 5 seconds. Again the increase the current, reset timer, reset the relay, switch on. Again the time remains same. Indefinite, the time will remain same 5 seconds, which you have set.
It will trip in 5 seconds because the time is definite.